Hello traders. I hope you are doing well. So, today I am going to share with you risk-free scalping strategy. First we open CAD CHF in 5-minute time frame. Now in the strategy indicator that you are going to look at, it is most important to look carefully at the setting of that indicator. We need TMA overlay indicator. We've changed some settings. If TMA overlay indicator highlight a color green with red candle, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If TMA overlay indicator highlight a color red with green candle, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like and share this video and subscribe to ForexLia.